Today we'll see how to use VLOOKUP function between different sheets and different workbooks. So I have an example. I have the customer identification number and the purchase amount of these customers. I need to find name, phone number, discount percentage and registration date for these customers. So my reference table for name and phone number is in the second sheet. So this is my reference table. So here my lookup value will be customer identification number. I have the name, date of birth, address and phone number. For the discount percentage, the reference table is in the first sheet. I have the discount rates and the price range. So this price range will be my lookup value. And registration date, this registration date I am keeping the table in a different workbook or different Excel sheet stored in some location. So the table consists of customer identification number and date of registration. So I'm going to apply all these in a single table, that is we'll be using VLOOKUP function to find both approximate and exact answers. So we'll start with the name. Instead of typing the formula, I am going to formulas and insert function, selecting VLOOKUP, lookup value for name is customer identification number. I'll select this. Table array, go to sheet number 2 and select the table array, keeping in mind the rules of table array. I am locking it. Column index number, my name is in the second column of the table array, so I am typing 2. Now I need an exact value, so I will type 0 and click OK. I am getting the answer for name, and for phone number I can drag the formula and make changes, but for practice I am inserting the function again. VLOOKUP, lookup value for phone number, it's also the customer identification number, so I am selecting this. Table array, go to sheet number 2, again select the table. Now again lock the table array. Column index number, phone number is in the 5th column of my table array, so I am typing 5. Here also I need an exact value, so I am putting 0. Giving OK, I get an answer. In discount percentage, we will be using approximate answer or approximate value. So I am inserting the function VLOOKUP, lookup value. Now my lookup value is not customer identification number. Now my lookup value is bill amount. So this is my lookup value. Table array, my reference table is in the first sheet. I am selecting the table. I am locking the table array, and my answer discount rate is in the second column of the table array. So I am putting 2. Range lookup, I need approximate value, so I am putting 1 and click OK. Double click on the plus icon, you will get all the answers. Okay, what about registration date? It is as similar as what we did previously. So I am inserting the function VLOOKUP, lookup value. As we saw, lookup value is customer identification number. Table array, we'll go to that Excel sheet or that workbook. Select the table. Log the table array. Column index number, my date of registration is in the second column. I'm putting 2. Now I need an exact match, so I'm putting 0 and give OK. Double click, you'll get the answer. So now let's check the formulas of these lookup functions. If you see the formula of the D column, it says VLOOKUP B7. B7 is the lookup value. Sheet 2 of table array. So my reference table is in the sheet 2, it is mentioned here, and column index number and range lookup. And what about registration date? See the formula, VLOOKUP lookup value lookup.xlsx. Lookup.xlsx is the name of my other Excel sheet. So it is mentioned here. In that Excel sheet, my reference table is in the sheet 2. So that is also mentioned here. And next one is the table array. Table array is C6 is to D25. It is mentioned here. And column index number and range lookup. And for the discount percentage, everything remains the same except the range lookup value is 1 because we are getting an approximate match. So this is how we'll be using VLOOKUP function between different sheets and different Excel sheets.